All right, today we are going to talk to you about how to get out of the pool. This could also be a boat. Here's a big mistake that I see people make is they get up here and they think they're going to like climb with their feet and all your sort of weight is behind you. We don't want to do that. We use actually very little of the legs. So we're going to have flat palms on the deck. We have flat palms. We're going to be really low in the water, even bobbing in the water so that you could use some of that momentum to help push you up to straight arms. That is the first key. Low, pushing straight up to those straight arms. Give a pause here. There are options. I'm walking my toes up to get a knee up. My kid thinks putting a knee out here is best. It could even be just rolling over. Oof. And doing the beached whale part at the end. The real key is that push up to straight arms, starting from low. Have fun.